Urukiko rubire rugenderire okubasa kureba hamwe no kuhamya amataka agu municipality eyine. Ori Principal Education Officer wa Masindi Municipality Sam Peter Ayebare ayorekera kukwatwaho ahabo kweyongera kw'abantu abari kutahirira amataka agari hamashomero ga government.
As a head of education here, I've had several challenges where school land has been encroached by somebody saying thieves of land. Now, at one time there was this program of GeoMaps that came and surveyed all school land, but they stopped there. Now my question is Land Commission coming back to help these schools title land that they occupy?
Godfrey Barahagate ori Senior Education Officer wa Masindi Municipality nagira ngo hariho n'abantu abacitire aharurengo rundi bakatandika kwiha office za government ezirimo office y'ebyobushubuzi, office ya RDC hamwe n'amakaga RDC ahamataka ga government.
Most of these government entities have lost land under the name of the Land Commission. We're surprised by the way even where government offices sit, we are a very big person coming to evict you. We wonder where are we living? For example, I will begin with one. We have our trade office here. Here, our trade office. We used to operate there. Somebody came and had to take that land.
Augustine Ojara ori commissioner mu Uganda Land Commission nagira ngo obwa hati nibija kureba ngo bashaje kamatendekero agarima amashomero ahamwe na nebindi ebya government okwasa kutunga ebyapa. Nagira ngo amatendekero aga gashemerire kutaho emiringo kugira ngo atandike kuhandikisa batunge ebyapa by'amataka.
But of course school management bodies, foundation bodies, you have to initiate the process. You apply. Say, Kabalega, we have handled a lot of issues that Kabalega, including the conflict of the Taka area. It was between you and
but then we need to receive that decision of the end.
But we help to register schools.
Dennis Musinguzi ori Principal Lands Officer o Ministry y'Amataka nagira ngo aba ministry obwa hati bashabire ba town clerks kurango bahereze ebyo ne biri kwetenga amataka ga government rero base kutunga ebyapa.
So managing government land are not unique to Uganda. Even in the first world, in the UK, in Australia, there recently, they have challenges regarding management of government land, and they are virtually the same for the state.
Agarukire yabagira ngo abubona abulizi zabo zahwireho bashemere kugenda bakagaruka bakazihandikisa ari kugira ngo abinji zikahwaho kare.
Have leases like you mentioned and have not been updated. I think I usually see very many files from Masindi, especially for that yes. So we call upon all those who have not updated their records to come and update their records.
Ojara Ruchika ori commissioner agarukire yagira ngo government ishemeye kugira ngo yataho emiringo eyo kubasa guma eine ebihandiko bishire eby'amataka gabo.
We are developing a comprehensive government land inventory to create a complete, accurate and verifiable record of all government land. You know, government land covers the entire country.
Makuraga Gashakwa Innocent atuganyira ahabwa tayari West omuri Masindi.